What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about an interesting subject that we haven't really touched on, and that is video on demand. Now, what do I mean by video on demand? Well, you probably are familiar with other types of video on demand services. YouTube has one, Amazon has one. There's even older ones from back in the day before the internet, which you would get on your TV, and converting it. Also, all of the videos get approved, especially your whole entire channel has to get approved. And that means people actually do watch your content. And they don't like blatant marketing videos. They don't want commercials up there. They don't want sales letters up there. They don't want people trying to harp products during the video. And titles. That's important. And so use that month to really promote all of your, or as much of your content as you possibly can. And also put keywords in the thing. One other thing I want to just jump on. You will not get paid unless there is at least 7 minutes of watch time of a video. So you can have short videos, but the problem is it's accumulated, and so you have to have either a lot of people watch your video and it adds up to 7 minutes, or one person has to back up and watch your video multiple times to get up to 7 minutes.